In this video, I will show you how you can use these images to create this one. Alright, if you want to see how I created this in normal speed with a voiceover and everything, I uploaded it on my Skillshare. So if you check the link in the description, there is a link that I put there. And if you sign up using that link, you don't have to pay for Skillshare. It's free for 2 months. So just sign up at Skillshare using that link and you get 2 free months of Skillshare, and you can watch this tutorial with different chapters and voiceover and everything that you need, and with all the files are included in the class on Skillshare. So make sure to check that out if you want to recreate this.